Bongani, you joined the team in January. Can you just talk us through how your stay has been since you've joined AmaZulu?
No, since I came here, first I told them what was my aim to come here, and my aim was to come and help the team to survive relegation. So far we have done that. I'm very happy, and it's nice to be here, and I hope I will stay here for long and win things in the team.
And when you arrived, you had not been playing for a while, and maybe your fitness was not at the best level, but now we see you scoring goals. Just talk about your own performance since you've joined the club.
First of all, I must thank the coach. He's the one who gave me time to adapt here, and so far I've done that, and I'm happy to score goals again. I hope I will keep on scoring.
And for you, what has been the highlights of the season since joining AmaZulu?
First of all, my highlight is that game for Leopards, because we needed goals and 3 points there, and we managed to do that.
And your wishes and hopes for the next season for yourself and for the club as well?
As I say, I want to continue to score goals, and as a team, I hope we can win some trophies next season and be there on top with other teams.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, thanks.